Using your NuChair. NuChair is unique and different than the conventional chairs you've used. There are a few things that can help you get started on the right track. There are 3 levers for adjusting your NuChair. The riser lock is on the right. On the left are the seat lock, S, and the lift adjustment, L. Before using your NuChair, set the seat angle to its furthest forward tilt and lock the riser forward and away from your body. Now, stand with one foot parallel to the front of the seat and mount your NuChair by swinging one leg around the rear of the seat. Find the center of your seat and sit upright comfortably. Don't sit too far forward. Make sure you're sitting behind the pommel located in the front of the seat. If you haven't already done so, rotate your hips forward and allow your stomach to move forward into the posture you have when you're standing. You should be sitting forward on your sits bone, which is the front of your bottom. The height should be adjusted so you have even weight distribution from front to back. Now, release a front riser gently to contact your stomach. You should now be sitting comfortably in perfect posture. To dismount your NuChair, place one foot parallel to the front of the seat. Pushing with the other foot, balance on the front foot and swing your leg around the back of the seat, like getting off of a bike. That should help you get started. Please check our website FAQs for more help or contact us directly at support@nuchair.com. Thank you.